Maybe I just need fingers. Who knows? All right. This is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Number 6. I just did Lattafa Ejaazi. This is Lattafa Ejaazi Intense Silver. Ooh. Let's see what this is. A fragrance of. I wish they made this easier to open. Maybe I just need fingers. Who knows? Oh, this one does not want to open for me. Oh, almost. Boom. I win, son. You lose. And so does the box. I just busted the box. Can you see that? Right there. My finger. It just won and the box lost. All right. Plastic gone. Box open. Again, cheap box, unlike the last ones, which were incredible. And wowzers. Okay, that is a lot better than just the regular one. Although this silver and black, that is powerful. Very heavy cap. I like it. I like it a lot. Atomizer. Spray. Not the greatest. Not the worst I've ever had, but definitely not the greatest. And let's get sniffing. Maybe I should name the channel Let's Get Sniffing. What do you think? Would that be interesting? I like Nubs fragrances, but Let's Get Sniffing is kind of cool. Okay, this is super sweet. Very youthful. So teenagers, you want this. I can't put a finger on what it is though. It smells like something, but it doesn't smell like one-to-one. It smells like other fragrances kind of Frankenstein together into one. It's like a bit of Invictus, a bit of Eros, a bit of this, a bit of that. It's just like shopping cart of fragrances. This smells like this could be a decent 6 to 8 hour one. But again, I have no idea. Just got it. So I will do a follow-up in the future. I'm going to test out all these fragrances and then do reviews on each one to let you know how long they last, performance, sillage, and so forth. But so far, this would be a good teenager one. So if you're interested in a teenage fragrance, check this out. Again, this is Nubs Fragrances. Talk to you soon.